Choosing Google Analytics filters is a crucial step in refining your website data and gaining accurate insights into your online presence. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the importance of Google Analytics filters and how to implement them effectively. Firstly, it is essential to understand what Google Analytics filters do. Filters allow you to narrow down your data to only include the information that is relevant to your business goals, excluding unnecessary data that can skew your analysis. For instance, if you have a website with multiple subdomains, you can use filters to separate data from each subdomain, giving you a clearer picture of your website's performance. There are two main types of filters in Google Analytics: predefined and custom filters. Predefined filters are pre-built filters that Google Analytics provides, such as excluding internal traffic or including only specific domains. Custom filters, on the other hand, allow you to create filters tailored to your specific needs, using regular expressions or exact matches. To choose the right filters for your website, you need to consider your business goals and what data is most relevant to you. For example, if you have an e-commerce website, you may want to exclude data from your internal team to get an accurate picture of your customers' behavior. You can also use filters to exclude spam traffic or fake referrals that can distort your data. When implementing filters, it is crucial to test them before applying them to your live data. Google Analytics allows you to verify your filters using the Filter Verification tool, which shows you exactly how the filter will affect your data. This ensures that you do not accidentally exclude important data or distort your analysis. Best practices for using Google Analytics filters include regularly reviewing and updating your filters to ensure they remain relevant to your business goals. You should also document your filters and the reasoning behind them, so that you and your team can understand the data and make informed decisions. In conclusion, choosing the right Google Analytics filters is vital for gaining accurate insights into your website's performance. By understanding the types of filters available, considering your business goals, and testing your filters, you can refine your data and make data-driven decisions to drive your business forward. By following these best practices and staying up to date with the latest filter options, you can get the most out of your Google Analytics data and take your business to the next level.